Hey guys, showing the trades for this week, and it is a good week for me. I was able to take profit around $165. Ilan lang yung trades ko for this week? 5 trades lang. So let me walk you through it. First trade is this one. This is a loss. So the current trend is an uptrend, and after that is, as you can see, my bias here is that it will try to go down. It will try to reverse. So that's why nag-enter ako ng short in this area. Unfortunately, as you can see, right after I entered, nag-consolidate siya. So during the consolidation, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. And unfortunately, I got stopped out here. So this is a loss. Hindi siya nag-continue pababa, guys eh. Second trade is this one, guys. So I entered 2 positions lagi yung ina-enter ko. Sometimes isang position lang, sometimes 2 positions in a trade. So in this trade, I entered 2 positions. This is during Asian session open. So gising pa rin ako nung Asian session. I actually tried trading Asian session this week, and I think I like it. It's much more predictable to me. Most likely yung Asian session is fina-follow niya yung trend. Yun lang yung na-observe ko. This is my own personal observation because usually yung tinatrade kong session is in London session and also US session. So tinatry kong i-trade yung Asian session because again, I'm still awake during that time. So this is around 6 a.m. I was able to see a setup here. Kaya ako nag-enter ng short. So pag enter ko ng short dito sa part na to, as you can see, nag-draw ako ng trend line dito. Although hindi pa niya binibreak yung trend line, nag-enter na ako ng short, is again, I was able to see a setup here. So after ko mag-enter ng short, my risk reward is 1:2. So first position is 1:1. So kinlose ko na yung first position ko. Second position is this one. Dito pa yung TP niya. And as you can see, dito pa lang sa part na to, kinlose ko na siya. Bakit ko siya kinlose? Kasi as you can see, nakita nyo tong green candle na to. So, it tries to go back to my entry area. So, that's why kinlose ko na agad yung trade ko dito pa lang. Because I'm seeing a rejection. Nakikita nyo yung week na to, guys. I was seeing a rejection. So, kaya kinlose ko na siya dito sa part na to. And, ayun nga, unfortunately, kung hindi ko siya kinlose, nakuha pa sana yung buong TP area ko. Another reason why kung bakit ko siya kinlose kasi is this was around 6:45 a.m. na. So, hindi pa ako nakakatulog because panggabi kasi ako. Panggabi yung work ko. So, I was looking at this chart and I told to myself na kuklose ko na yung trade ko. I don't want to leave it open. I wanted to secure my profit. So, that's also the reason why kaya ako siya kinlose kasi I wanted to secure my profit bago pa siya bumalik dito sa aking entry area, or much worse, baka bumalik pa dito sa aking SL area. Kaya ako rin siya kinlose. But then again, if I just stick to my TP and SL area, I would have caught the whole move. But again, hindi siya nangyari kasi nga hindi ako nag-stick sa aking TP and SL area because I wanted to secure my profit. And one more thing is that, yes, it's fear and greed. That's true because I was fearful na mawala pa yung profit ko kaya kinlose ko rin siya. I don't know if it's also happening to you guys na nangyayari yun na pag napunta na yung price doon sa malapit sa TP area mo and then nagkakaroon siya ng pullback, are you also closing it out or are you just leaving the trade to go on? Or nilalagay nyo ba yung SL area nyo to break even, or how does it work, guys? Just let me know in the comment section on paano nyo i-trade yung ganitong instances. Another trade is this one. So I think this is the last trade that I have for this week. This was on Friday. I was able to see a setup here. That's why nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to. And after ko mag-enter ng long, as you can see, 1:2 ang aking risk reward. I was able to take profit here. This is really a good trade for me. Kasi as you can see, nagtuloy talaga siya pataas. Hindi siya nagkaroon ng drawdown, hindi siya nag-pullback. Nagtuloy-tuloy lang siya pataas. So, I was happy here kasi, again, Asian session siya, guys. Gising pa ako nung Asian session. Like I said, I think I'm liking the Asian session right now kasi it's much more easier for me. Medyo, ayun, mas kalmado siya. Mas kalmado siya kaysa sa London session, lalo na sa US session, masyadong magalaw. Asian session is much calmer. Nag-enter ako ng long dito is, again, nag-plot ako ng trend line as you can see. So, kaya ako nag-enter ng long dito sa part na to. And after ko mag-enter ng long, I was able to take profit here. And then, you can see na I just took 5 trades, guys. 3 win and then 2 loss, and this week is a good week for me because again I was able to take profit around $165. So I think next week I'm going to focus more on quality setups or quality trades instead of, quantity trades. So yun lang muna for today, guys. Thank you.